మీ ముందుకొస్తుంది OnePlus ఛానల్, రీచింగ్ పీపుల్, టచింగ్ లైఫ్స్.
Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Janab Mohammad Mahmood Ali Garu, Home Minister of State of Telangana, Ms. Suchitra Ella, Mr. BBR Mohan Reddy Garu, our Director General of Police, Shri Mahendra Reddy Garu, Shri Jayesh Ranjan, Shri C.B. Anand, Mr. Sajanar, Mr. Mahesh Bhagwat, Mr. Rajesh Kumar, Ms. Swati Lakra, Mr. Barni Arul, Mr. Krishna, all the distinguished invitees, and my dear friend. It is indeed an occasion of great achievement that 15 years of an institution is being celebrated today. When we see the concept of the Cyberabad Security Council, Society for Cyberabad Security Council, it has two important components. First is society and the other is security. And as the nuances of society evolves over a period of time, the nuances of security also tries to catches up. Hardly 70 to 80,000 years ago, when in the eastern part of Africa, a group of species was converting itself from the primitive man to what is called the Homo sapiens sapiens, the modern man, the wise man. The impact of this species on the surroundings, on the planet, was minimal. These group of people, from whom all of us have descended, at that time did not impact even 2 kilometers of the area where they were living. There were much bigger players on the planet then, which had more impact on the general living, on the environments, and also on the security aspect. But gradually this concept changed as the Homo sapiens started applying their mind, evolving the concept of safety and security, and then we have the present day situation. As we grew from nomadic people to food gatherer, to food producer, to group which was making surplus food for trade, side by side the notion of security also kept on changing. Till very recently, the entire concept of security was limited to what was called the physical security, the proximity security. If a crime has to be prevented, it has to be prevented physically. It is only with the introduction and the advent of digital world that this concept of physical proximity is becoming, I would say, obsolete. When we see the earth, the global changes, we have the highly westernized, highly modernized nations like Japan and the West. And at the same time, we also have countries where still the physical proximity security is important. Just last week, one of our colleagues went to one of the country in Africa. He had gone there for mountain climbing. He climbed Mount Kilimanjaro, which is in Tanzania. And he was mentioning that the entire country there, still they believe in the concept of only detective policing. There was nothing called preventive policing. The entire city, entire country does not have a patrol system to prevent crime. The role of police is only to visit the crime scene after it has happened. On the other hand, we have most advanced countries where everything is on internet, and as Mr. BBR Mohan Reddy Garu has mentioned, the concept of Internet of Things, how it has affected and how it is going to largely affect the society and the concept of security. Somebody very rightly said that Internet of Thing is nothing but also Internet of Thing to be hacked. There was a case, very sensational case in New York, in which one of the business tycoon, actually it was a murder case, but was detected much later because the implanted pump for insulin was hacked, and the insulin which was supposed to be injected into the body